Okay, I thought we'd do a quick garage sessions theory lesson real quick, because I learned something pretty neat from my theory book, a self-instruction theory book I picked up quite a while back that I've just been loving, Practical Theory, Self-Instruction Theory course. And it's basically a workbook. So you write your answers all throughout it, and you can check them in the back. I learned something pretty cool about major scales I thought I'd share real quick, because it's a pattern you can memorize pretty easy and it could help you for a long time. The example they use is F and G, but this pattern works for any major scale. And the pattern is whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step on the keys. So just memorize that. Whole step, half step, whole, half. So check this out. We'll look at the piano. I think this is cool. They use F and G as their example, but it works for any major scale. That pattern right there. Whole step, half, whole step, half. So let's look at it on the piano. This is for any major scale. So if you're starting with G, the major scale of G, you're going to go a whole step up to A, a whole step up to B, then a half step, which is C, then a whole step up to D, a whole step up to E, then you're going to go a whole step now. So it can't be just here, that would only be a half step. So a whole step would be F sharp, and then a half step, G. So using that pattern, you know that the G major scale is G, A, B, then a half step to C, whole step to D, whole step to E, whole step to F sharp, and then a half step to G. That's that pattern right there. But you can pick, any note and use that pattern and it works. Like C, the C major scale, right? So from C to D is whole step, half, whole step, half. It works for any key for your major scale. That's pretty awesome. Pretty simple to memorize. Again, they use G, but you could use it on any key. Whole step, half. Whole step, half. So try it on all the other different keys and see how it works out. It'll show you on every key, it'll show you then which are your white notes and which are your sharps for your major scale. A cool little pattern, and I think it might help in the future. It's already helped me. Thanks for watching.